Good evening. Tonight we're going to go over how to manually take someone's blood pressure. So first and foremost, you want to make sure you have the equipment that you need. You're going to need a stethoscope, and then you have the cuff itself. Once you, for your stethoscope, you want to make sure that it's actually on. So the way to tell that is turn it. If you turn it and you tap it and you don't hear anything that's off, you turn it, you tap and you listen to it and you hear the tap, that means it's on. And then you want to make sure that the valve on your bulb is shut. So a good rule of thumb is lefty loosey, righty tighty. You want to make sure that that's closed, so when you pump it, it actually keeps the air and you can get the most accurate reading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the pulse on the client's arm, and then once I do so, I'll place it over his arm, and I'll take the cuff and I'll wrap it around. Now, with this, you want to make sure that it's nice and snug, but you don't want it to be so tight that it's uncomfortable. So then once you do that, you get it on there nice and tight, and then you'll go on ahead and you'll measure it. So you'll put your stethoscope on, pump it up. You want to make sure that it gets to 200 before you actually stop. And then once it gets to 200, you can let it go and slowly deflate. When you hear that first beat, that's going to be your systolic. So around 120. And then the last thud is going to be your diastolic. So his reading is going to be 120 over 60. So Mr. Rand, I just took your blood pressure, and your current blood pressure is reading 120 over 60. Have a good evening. Bye.